Hello Sudoku friends, welcome today in the daily newspaper on Wednesday March the 11th 2020. We have 3 Sudokus: a binary Sudoku, a medium Sudoku, and a killer Sudoku. But we will start in this episode with the binary Sudoku, so let's get started. Alright, double O, here one, there one. Double O, here one, there one. Double O, here one, there one. Then a double O here one, there one. Double one, here an O, there an O. A double one here an O, there an O. A double one here an O, and there an O. Here a double one, here an O, and there an O. Then I see between two O's comes an 1. Between two O's comes an 1. Between two ones comes an O. Between two O's comes an 1. Then we have a double O, here one, there one. A double O, here one, then one. A double one, here an O, there an O. A double O, here one, there one. A double one, here an O, there an O. A double O, here one, there one. A double one, here an O, there an O. A double one, here an O, there an O. Between two O's comes an 1. Double O, here one, there one. Between two ones comes an O. Then 1, 2, oh here, double one, here an O, there an O. A double O, here one, there one. Between two ones comes an O. Double one, here an O, there an O. Double O, here one, there one. A double one, here an O, there an O. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O, so the rest are ones. Double one, here an O, there an O. Between two ones comes an O. Then 1, 2, 3, 4 O's. If I place the fifth and the last O here in this row, then we have 1, 2, 3 ones. Not allowed, so here cannot be an O, here should be a 1. 1, 2, 3, 4 ones. If I place the fifth and final, the last one here, then we have 3 O's. Not allowed, so this cannot be a 1, this should be an O. 1, 2, 3, 4 O's. If I place the fifth O here, then we have 3 ones. Not allowed, so here cannot be an O. Here should be an 1. If I place the fifth O here, then we have also 3 ones. Not allowed, so this must be an O. Double one, here an O, there an O. Double O, here and one, there and one. Double one, here an O, there an O. 1, 2, 3, 4 ones. If I place the fifth and last one here, then we have here 3 O's in this column. Not allowed, 3 O's in a row. This cannot be a 1. This should be an O. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 O's. If I place the O here or there, then we have 3 ones in a row. Not allowed. So these 2 boxes must be an 1. Between 2 ones comes an O. Double check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones. Correct. Between 2 O's comes an 1. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 ones. This is number 5. Then 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 ones. If I place the 1 here, then we have 3 O's. So this cannot be an 1. This should be an O. Double O here 1, then 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, and this is number 5. Double O here 1, then 1. Double 1 here O, then O. Double O here 1, then 1. Double 1 here O, then O. Double O here 1, then 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones. So the rest are O's. Double O here 1, then 1. Double 1 here O, then O. Double O here 1, then 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's. Sorry, 5 ones. So the rest are O's. Double O here 1, then 1. Double 1 here O, then O. Double O here O, here 1, then 1. Double 1 here O, then O. Then double 1 here O, then O. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's. So the rest are ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones. So the rest are O's. Double O here 1, there 1. So finish in 7 minutes. Alright people, if you like it, thumbs up. Otherwise thumbs down. If you like or if you want, you can also subscribe. Download the PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you for watching this puzzle, and I will see you later with the medium Sudoku. Thank you again. Bye bye.